Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to promote your Etsy products. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, I'm just going to follow this Reddit here. And here are some suggested solutions or some suggested tips so you can advertise or promote your products. And generally this Reddit is talking more about shop in general. And one of the things that you can do so you can have your products to be bought is to optimize your listing. So basically, you will need just to make sure that you have good looking pictures or to optimize your listing pictures. So you can simply go to the listing and then search for your listing, and then, for example, you can just edit them. And basically, you will be able need to improve them and just check your competitors and see how they are titling or naming the products, etc. And make sure that they have enough pics as well. And you can also add a video for your listing so it can be showing well. Also, you can try to increase the time of listings, but this one is concerning your product, your shop. Otherwise, you can start using like the marketing tool for your Etsy. You can use the Etsy ads or social media for your listing. So here you can add a listing and then you can add them to your social media, etc. So those are some ways that you can do or that you can try so you can add like visibility such as the Etsy ads. You can start like promoting your listing by using the ads and they will push them at the top of the searching bar. And the most important thing is to optimize the SEO for your listing. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.